Intense AI-driven workloads, soaring power densities, ever tighter sustainability targets, and fast-moving, complex regulations. Today, the data centers being pushed to the limit, with commissioning, operations, and maintenance teams now under pressure like never before. Pressure to keep availability high, to keep OPEX low, and to deliver on time. That's why, when they need a partner they can trust, they choose Fluke. Because from planning and build-out through to ongoing operations, Fluke gives you everything you need to have complete confidence in your data center setup. Our intuitive testing solutions that deliver automated standards-compliant reports you can trust. Our advanced predictive tools that pick up on issues before they cause outages. Our multi-function instruments that speed up and streamline the diagnostics process. And because we deliver it all through a common set of platforms and interfaces, you get consistency across every site, team, and contractor. And what does all that mean? Total confidence in every critical system, at every stage, all from a single partner. That's why you can trust Fluke to deliver in your data center. Find out more. Visit our website